This is the easiest way to make videos like Zack D Films' YouTube channel. Here's what I made using free AI tools.
33,000 feet in the air. A woman is falling through the clouds. The plane has exploded. The sky is on fire. And yet, somehow, this isn't the end of her story. It's 1972.
Alright, it looks amazing, just like Zack D Films' YouTube channel. If you haven't heard of Zack D, he's basically the Elon Musk of YouTube Shorts. He has a team of more than 50 people, animators, designers, and editors. He spends around $3,000 on each video and has racked up over 53 billion views. But here's the thing, most of us don't have $3,000 to spend on a 60-second video. I sure don't, and let's be real, you probably don't either. So instead of whining about it, I went full mad scientist testing every free AI tool I could find, breaking stuff, rewriting prompts, and experimenting non-stop until I found the perfect combo. Alright, here's the deal. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you stick around until the very end of this video. After that, drop a comment saying Zack D Films and throw in a weird emoji combo or something totally random. Don't be basic. As soon as my AI bot spots your comment and feels the right vibe, boom! You'll instantly get access to the AI Viral Ultimate Reel Bundle. It's your secret weapon to blow up on social media totally free, 100% legit, and ready to go. Now grab a snack, get comfy, and let's jump right in. Alright guys, step 1 is all about coming up with story ideas. Go to ChatGPT. I'm using a free version of ChatGPT. Copy this prompt down in the description. I've dropped a full document with every single prompt and tool I use to create Zack D Films style videos. Anyway, after you copy the prompt from the doc, just paste it here and hit enter or click right here to run it. Now ChatGPT will give you 10 true, eerie, and shocking historical stories, titles that sound like fiction but actually happened. Step 2. Script and visuals generation. Now, copy and paste the second prompt into ChatGPT and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate a cinematic, documentary-style script with an attention-grabbing opening hook that makes viewers stop scrolling. You'll also get image generation prompts for each scene. Step 3 generates the voiceover. Now head over to ElevenLabs and log in. Once you're in, click on Voices from the left menu, then choose Create or Clone a Voice. Next, click on Voice Design. This feature is completely free and lets you create studio-quality voices that sound incredibly realistic. In the prompt box, delete any existing text, then copy and paste this prompt and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get a natural-sounding, high-quality voice. And don't worry if you run out of free credits, there are plenty of other free text-to-speech tools that sound almost as good. ElevenLabs will give you 3 different voice options. Choose the one you like best and click Select Voice. On the next page, give your voice a name. Set details like language, accent, and gender, and make sure your description is under 500 words. Then click Add Voice. Next, click Text-to-Speech from the left side. Select the voice you just created, paste your script from ChatGPT into the box, and hit Generate. Within seconds, ElevenLabs will produce a studio-quality voiceover. Now that you've got the voiceover ready, let's move on to the next step, creating visuals. So far, we've been using all free tools, and now it's time to create high-quality images using one of the best free image generation platforms out there. The best part? All the images will look just like Zack D's film-style cinematic and eye-catching. Go to LMarena.ai and click the Login button. Sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on the Battle drop-down menu and select Direct Chat. Now, click on the image generation icon at the bottom, and then choose your image generation model. You can pick either Hunyuan Image 3 or Nano Banana. Both are great for generating and editing images, but they produce slightly different results. Personally, I found Hunyuan Image 3 to be a bit better in some cases, so that's the one I'll use. Next, copy your first image generation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the box, and press Enter. In just a few seconds, your image will be ready. Repeat the same process for all your prompts to generate the remaining images. After that, you'll need to fix the aspect ratio so they look perfect for vertical videos. You can use any online image editing tool, or if you're on Windows, just use the built-in photo editor. Open the image. Click Edit. Click the Free button at the bottom. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Adjust the framing by dragging the image as needed. When you're done, Click the drop-down, and then Save. Now your images are ready, perfectly optimized for cinematic short videos. Step 5. Turn images into video. Now go to meta.ai and click the Login button in the bottom left corner. On the next page, log in using your Facebook or Instagram account. Once you're logged in, click the Create button on the left side. From the drop-down menu below, select Video. Now, upload your image and paste the same prompt you used to generate that image. Finally, click the Animate button, and within a few seconds, you'll get a short 5-second video clip. Repeat this process for each scene to generate all your animated clips. Once you have all your videos ready, gather them together, and let's move on to the final step. Step 6. Editing. You can use any video editing software, but since we're sticking with free tools, we'll use CapCut, which is completely free. If you don't already have CapCut, I've added a download link in the video description, so you can grab it for free. Once you open CapCut, import all your video clips and the voiceover audio. Trim out any silent parts from the audio to keep the pacing fast and engaging. Then, sync each video clip with the voiceover so everything matches perfectly. If you want to make it even more dynamic, you can add sound effects, transitions, or video effects to give it that extra punch. When you're done editing, click the Export button. Give your video a name, choose where you want to save it, and make sure to set the FPS, frames per second, to 60 for smooth playback. Finally, hit Export again to render your finished video, and that's it. You've just created a video just like Zack D Films' YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.